Sana if we stick to the facts and to the evidence. I'm telling you, if the government stuck to the facts and the evidence, hindi dapat i-file yan. And lahat ng mga criminal cases ko na very, very hot, na galit ang mga tao, preliminary investigation pala, sinasabi ko, walang ebidensya, walang crime na nakomit. Nagtatrial kami for 10, 15 years and then na-acquit mga kliyente ko. Nagagalit yung mga korte, yung Court of Appeals, Court of Tax Appeals, nagagalit. Sinabi, these cases should not have been filed for lack of evidence. That's where we are today. I'm telling you now, walang ebidensya. Hindi dapat ma-file.
Walang ebidensya.
Walang ebidensya. Hindi dapat ma-file. Walang crime. Yung kliyente ko, kliyente namin. But,
despite the testimonies in the Senate and the House, sir?
Whose testimonies, Tina?
Like Gutesa,
Walang testimony si Gutesa that will stand in court.
The DPWH officials.
Res inter alios acta, that's a principle in law that a conspirator cannot find his co-conspirator. Kasi kung sabihin ko na akusado ako ng murder, sabihin ko kasama ko si Tina doon, pwede ba yun? Just because dinawit kita, masasama ka na sa asunto. Hindi ba hindi tama? That's what's happening sa Senado. Kasama ko yun, damay ka. Kasama ko yun, damay ka. Hindi pwede. Res inter alios acta.
Is his whole family with him now?
I don't know. I don't know.
Does he have family here right now?
I don't know. I'd be speculating. Not relevant information at this time. For me.